So what's going on in Quincy's real estate market right now? Because if you've been watching Zillow like it's your part-time job, you probably noticed that homes are disappearing faster than your patience waiting for the Fed to cut rates again. Hi, I'm Valencia-Gooding with eXp Realty, and today we're breaking down the numbers, the psychology behind what's happening, and why both buyers and sellers in Quincy need to pay attention right now. The market is not slowing down, it's caffeinated. Check out these stats. The median sold price for October was $720,000, so values are still climbing. And the list-to-sale ratio was 100%, which tells us that homes are selling at asking, if not better. And the average days on market was 35 days. So homes are moving quickly. And inventory, well, it's extremely low, but scarcity keeps prices firm. Let's pause on that 100% list-to-sale ratio and the 35 days on market. That's not a balanced market. That's Quincy running on double espresso. Well-priced homes, they're gone in a month. Poorly priced ones, well, eventually they're gone, but with tiers and price reductions. So don't be that seller. Price it right from day one. And here's where it gets interesting. The average 30-year fixed mortgage rate in November is sitting around 6.38, 6.4%. I know, it's not the 3% dream we once had, but it's way better than the 7% that we were crying about in 2023. And that small drop, it's like flipping the market's on switch. Buyers who were benched are suddenly sprinting back in. Okay, maybe they're jogging is a better description, but if rates continue to come down, you'll be sprinting like Olympians Julian Alfred and Sha'Carri Richardson in the 100-meter race. That's exactly why days on market is so low, and the list-to-sale ratio is perfect, because demand woke up. And before you ask, no, the housing market is not crashing. We've got tight inventory, strong equity, and homeowners sitting on golden handcuffs of low rates. That's a recipe for stability, not disaster. If you're a future buyer, I get it. You're waiting for that magical 4% rate, right? I mean, I hear this all the time.
Oh, Abby, we were just gonna wait until the rates drop just a little more.
Listen, I love you for being optimistic, but here's the math. A 0.5% swing in rates changes your monthly payment more than you think, and home prices are not dropping. That 6.38% window is your friend. Get in now, refi later, and own before the crowd wakes up. The market's like a sample sale. Early birds get the designer pieces. Late shoppers get the empty racks. And I know, sometimes there's a hidden gem on the clearance rack, but the key word is sometimes. Sellers, this part's for you. Inventory in Quincy is so low that if you list now, your home isn't competing. It's center stage. 100% list-to-sale ratio means you're getting your asking price quickly. That's the textbook definition of a seller's market. Plus, buyers right now aren't tire kickers. They're motivated, pre-approved, and tired of losing out. I had one client who said,
Abby, I don't want to list until spring because that's when the flowers bloom and my yard and landscaping will look so much nicer.
I said, exactly. And that's when everyone else lists too. So let's get you sold before the gardens get crowded. I know that there are many buyers or sellers that for whatever reason, they will wait for spring. I've heard all the reasons. It's not a good time, it's football season, Thanksgiving is around the corner, and I have family coming. Then we're going away for Christmas and I need to get my house in order and it needs a new paint job. And yes, by springtime, there might be more inventory, but more listings mean more competition. And increased competition on the same house means what? The prices will be driven up too. For buyers, that's more people bidding on the same home. For sellers, that's more noise to cut through. So waiting can actually mean paying more or earning less. It's kind of like waiting for the perfect time to start going to the gym. By the time you decide, everyone's already there on January 2nd and all the treadmills are taken. So here's the truth about Quincy's market this fall. Low inventory, strong demand, slightly better rates. What does that mean? Opportunity for those who act. If you're waiting for a crash, you'll be waiting a long time. If you're waiting for a perfect 4% rate, you may miss the perfect home. Let's strategize now. Whether you're buying or selling, you can move from watching the market to owning it. Click the link below to schedule a private consultation. Don't just watch the market, dominate it. I'm Abby Valencia-Gooding, your advocate, your vision, your guide. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.